I'm back again with new recipe. Hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Today's recipe is eggless chocolate cake, which is homemade, healthy and super delicious and very easy to prepare. The ingredients which we are going to use in homemade eggless chocolate cake are: we are going to use 1/3 tin of condensed milk and around 150 gram of wheat flour. We are going to use 15 gram of cocoa powder, and we are going to use 1 spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of baking powder, and we are going to use 1/2 spoon of vanilla essence, gram of butter. Use almond and raisins, dry fruits as per our choice, and pinch of salt and cup of milk, half bowl of sugar. As we are going to prepare a healthy cake, so I am going to use here wheat flour. For that I am going to grind our regular wheat flour to make it a very fine, like a maida. So now I am taking 1 bowl of wheat flour in the mixing jar, and now I will grind it to make it very fine like a maida. The grinding is done, and it looks good, and it is looking very fine. So now I will take it out, and you can grind it 2-3 times till the time it can become very fine like a maida, like this. So now we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. I am going to take 1 bowl of wheat flour, which is grinded, and 1 spoon of baking powder, 1 spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of cocoa powder, and pinch of salt. So in a mixing bowl I am adding this 1 bowl of wheat flour. So 1 spoon of baking powder, 1 spoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of cocoa powder, 1 pinch of salt. So after mixing all these dry ingredients, I will keep it aside, and I will beat the butter and sugar. So our next step is to beat butter and sugar. This is 60 gram of butter and half bowl of sugar. For your convenience, I just want to mention that I have taken this 1 full of bowl of wheat flour and the half bowl of same bowl of sugar. I am mixing sugar in this the butter and sugar in this mixing jar, and I have added 1 spoon of milk to let it grind smoothly. Butter and sugar beating is done, so our butter and sugar paste is ready. Now I am going to take this our butter and sugar paste in this our dry ingredients. Now we are going to mix everything out. Now I am going to add 1 cup milk, and along with adding I will keep now we are going to cut the dry fruits, almonds and black dry raisins. Now we are done with chopping our dry fruits. We will add to our batter. Let's see how our batter is. So here is our batter. After completing the beating of our butter and sugar and mixing it with the ingredients, and see, our batter is ready and the consistency is quite appropriate, which we were looking for. Now I will mix our cut dry fruits in this. Now I will grease this baking tray with a very small pinch of oil. After greasing this baking tray, I will add this our batter, our eggless chocolate cake batter, to this baking tray. I forgot to tell you that I also added this Milkmaid. I have added 1/3 tin of Milkmaid and 1 spoon of vanilla essence in the batter. I am going to use my Prestige OTG, and I am going to preheat oven for 10 minutes at 150 centigrade. So in the meantime, we will garnish our cake with the dry fruits. So now 10 minutes is over, and our baking tray with the batter, with the garnishing batter, is also ready. Now we will place this inside our Prestige OTG. These are the ingredients for your quick reference. See how beautifully it is decorated. Now I will add cherry also. Now with the help of this handle, I will put this tray inside the OTG. We'll close it. So now we will keep it at 150 degree Celsius for 30 minutes. Our baking is almost complete. Now after 30 minutes our baking is completely done, and I will let it cool down for next 10 minutes. Final eggless chocolate cake. I already tasted it. It is very yummy and delicious. This is my first try for this recipe. Hope you like the process. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.